We need direction to reach our goals. So let's talk about direction. When comparing the various chatbots that answer frequently asked questions to JobsBots, the new AI-powered virtual assistant for the trades, you'll see how important direction becomes. Let's showcase what I'm saying. First, I'll use ChatGPT to inquire about plumbing. See the response I get to say installing a new shower instead of a bath. The answer is thorough. Yes, you can implement such chat tools on your website now. Many even allow you to upload your own website's dataset to facilitate more inquiries. For example, how much to replace a bath with a shower. It would check the site's info, and if it were priced, it might reply approximately £2,400. Encouraging, right? Well, no, it's not effective for gaining new clients. You've merely provided a price, and you've even suggested DIY methods. You still have no idea who the inquirer is, their motives, their timelines. This is as much use as a chocolate teapot when you're trying to win new business. JobsBots' purpose is different. It has direction. It does two things. It secures new jobs and ensures callers don't look anywhere else. Stay tuned or subscribe to this channel to learn how JobsBots drives conversations in the right direction and wins you at least twice as much new business from your hard-earned inquiries.